Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another video. As you know, I have already purchased a pre-owned Ritz. Now before using this particular car, which is a used one and already is 11 years old, the first and foremost job is to service the car. And to service the car, the first step will be to change all the fluids of your car. Normally what happens, when you buy a used car, the previous owner normally neglects all these fluid changes, and normally I have seen quite a number of owners who just top up their oil in the old oil and run the car, and normally leads to sludge deposits in their engine. So the best part will be to change all your fluid and start afresh. So for this particular job, I have procured number of items from online market, from Amazon and from Goodmo. I will show you the products which I have procured, and this will be helpful to you so that when you buy a used car, these are the items will be required once you purchase an old vehicle, especially when you are buying a car which is 8 to 10 years old. So these are the products that I have procured for my first service. The first and foremost job will be to change the engine oil. So this is the particular engine oil that I have procured from Amazon, and it was on offer. I purchased at 1403 rupees, and this is 5W30. The recommended engine oil grade for your Ritz is 5W30. For my Swift it was 0W20. So please consult your owner's manual before buying your engine oil. So this is the engine oil, and for this I have procured the genuine engine oil filter, that is the Maruti genuine engine oil filter, and this one I have procured from Goodmo.com. Now let me tell you something about Goodmo.com. You can purchase goods online at the comfort of your home, but the one problem is there, they have a longer delivery period. Once you order, you should at least have a comfortable time between 7 to 10 days if you need to procure your spares from the Goodmo.com. So that is the engine oil that I procured from Goodmo.com. So this is the Maruti genuine product. The next product are the spark plugs. You don't know when the spark plugs were replaced, so it is the best practice to change the spark plugs. The spark plugs were, when you purchase the spark plugs, also you consult your owner's manual, and here the spark plug number is KR6A10. So please remember, your spark plug is KR6A10. So it requires 4 spark plugs. This also I have procured from Goodmo.com. So there goes the spark plugs. Then I have procured all the filters. So let me show you the filters. These are the filters that I have procured from Goodmo. So all are OEM compatible products. So this is the AC filter. It is Purolator brand, and this one I also purchased from Goodmo. So this is your AC filter. This is your fuel filter. It is the Elofit brand. All these brands are OEM. So you need not worry if MGP stamp is not there. When you buy without the MGP stamp, your prices will be little less. So this is the fuel filter. This one I have purchased from Goodmo, and this is the air filter. So this is the air filter. So Purolator is also the OEM supplier of Maruti. So this is your air filter. So these are the products that we require immediately. Other than this, I have purchased a engine oil flush. Since you don't know at what intervals your previous owner has changed the engine oil, and since the car has gone a service life of 11 years, it will be best practice to flush your old engine oil and then refill with the fresh one. So for this I have purchased a STP brand engine oil flush, which is a very good and reputed brand, and this one I have procured from Amazon. So please do remember, when you are purchasing an old vehicle, it will be a standard practice to flush your engine oil. So this is the engine oil flusher. Then there is your coolant. For coolant I have purchased Servocool Plus. It is an Indian oil brand, and this one I have purchased from my petrol bunk. So this is also a very good coolant. And before using this coolant, I will be using another product. Let me show you. This one also I have procured from Amazon. For the fluids, you can very well rely on Amazon, and you can easily buy it from there. They are genuine, and their supply is also, delivery schedule is also very good. So for that I have purchased a radiator cleaner, because you know, when the car gets old, there are rust particles and all these things comes in the water jacket line. So it will be a standard practice to clean your water circulation area and your radiator with a radiator cleaner. So for that I have procured a Liquimelli brand. It's also a very good and reputed brand, and this one also I have procured from the Amazon. So this is also a very important product when you are buying an old car, and you should definitely flush your radiator and then fill it up with a new coolant. Next one is our brake oil. Normally Maruti recommends E-Sister brake oil. I do have a sealed pack of half bottle E-Sister, but this time I am using a Servo, because Servo is also an original equipment supplier to Maruti. So I have procured a brake oil, Servo Fluid Super HD brake oil, because I will be also flushing the brake oil of my old car, because you don't know at the intervals that previous owner has changed. So it will be a best practice to flush your old brake oil and refill with a new one. And last but the least, I have purchased a wiper blade, because I found that the wiper blades were in very poor condition. It's an 11-year-old car, we all know. So this time, those who are watching my video, you will find I have made a video of frameless wipers of TVS brand previously, but this time I have purchased a very cheap one. This is actually a Yo-Yo brand. I haven't heard about this company, but at a very cheap rate. So let's try out this product, and I will also review how this product is. So this is the Yo-Yo brand wiper for this particular car. So, and the common problem with all Ritz cars, that your gear lever knob gets worn out. So I have purchased a new gear lever knob also, and it's a good looking one. It's not the OEM one. I have purchased this from Amazon also at a very cheap rate, and I will be also replacing the particular gear knob. So that's all the products I will be needing for my initial service. So stay tuned, friends, for my upcoming video of servicing my pre-owned car very soon. So thank you very much, and please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much, and goodbye.